Calibrating your odometer speedometer couldn't be easier. The process is simply a couple of button pushes and a 2-mile drive. Today we'll run through the calibration process on this new Cruiser Series 3 3/8 model. As you'll see, when an odometer speedo is first powered up, it'll jump to its half-scale position and then fall back down to 0. This 0 calibration step assures you continued accuracy over the life of the unit. You should see this each and every time you start your vehicle. During this, the odometer will flash the current calibration in pulses per mile. Odometer speedometers leave the factory with a 16,000 pulse per mile configuration. This number will change to reflect your calibration once the process is completed. On to the calibration steps. Before turning the vehicle on, key off, engine off, press and hold the trip reset button on the dial. Start the vehicle and continue to hold the button. The needle will jump to half scale, then to its maximum reading. Once you're at full scale, release the button, and we've staged the speedometer for calibration. At this point, you can drive for any period of time without affecting the calibration procedure. This allows you to get to your predetermined 2-mile distance without having to stop and start the vehicle again. Once we're ready to start our 2-mile drive, tap the trip reset button once. The needle will fall to half scale, and you can begin driving. You'll notice the odometer rapidly accumulating numbers. During the calibration, this display shows individual pulses off the transmission speed center to let you know the process is working. After you've completed your 2-mile drive, tap the button one last time, and calibration is complete. This can be done anytime throughout the life of the speedometer if you happen to change wheel, tire, or gear size. That wraps it up. Hope this was helpful, and thank you for choosing Odometer.